Okay, so what we got here is I took the wheel off that was sitting right here so I can have a better access. But if you want to struggle a bit, you can just do it from the bottom. So what I want to do to begin with is I want to clean the bottom of these bolts, okay, the threading. You can see them from right from the bottom. And what that's going to allow is for the bolt to travel nice and smooth. Also, if you want to heat them up, a lot of times you do need to heat them. So throw some WD-40 on them in the bottom. So that way when they go through, they're nice and easy. So what I want to do here is, got me a 12 millimeter here. I'm going to get my electric little drill, impact drill, and we're going to drill this guy out. If it doesn't work out, then we're going to have to use a ratchet. Okay, got my little electric drill. We're going to turn this counterclockwise, looking right from the top. And what we're going to do here is, and that's my luck today. Usually they won't come out that easy, but there you go. This guy was pretty simple right here. And let's put this to the side. We're going to be reusing the bolts, so do not dispose them. Let's put our hand under this little guy. And let's bang this guy out. And there you go. Perfect. So both of them are out. We're gonna pull this baby down right here, just like that. Let's put this baby to the side. What we're gonna do next is, you don't need to do them both at the same time, just do one at a time. And usually this will make like a rumbling noise, like that, because the play would become the gap in between this board and this. It will just bounce around. So over time they will take a beating. So let's get our new ones in, and there's a small little greasing trick. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we are gonna take our rag. Let's clean this area up really good right here. And you don't want to see any rust or anything like that. Same thing on the top, so our bolt can sit flush. So make sure you clean this top area here and this side. So both of these spots here and here gotta be clean. Anyways, next step, we're gonna take our bushing, the new bushing right here. What I want to do here is, remember this hole was facing backward, so let's take a little bit of greasing. What you want to do here is take any type of greasing, red grease, just put it on to where the bushing is gonna sit, pretty much on the inside of this hole. You could even put in this one, but that's gonna give you a hard time. Anyways, the point of this is when that bar twists in there, the rubber is not grabbing it, and the rubber will rip over time. So you want to avoid that. So the next step here is you simply want to just take this little guy and you want to get this guy on there and try not to get rid of that grease, and try to open it and get it onto top of the spot. And we're going to take our bottom cover here on this bushing. We're going to pull it back a bit, and we're gonna take our bolts here. So this is the same procedure for a lot of these Hondas, okay, not just this Honda. And make sure you catch the threads. Whoops. Make sure you catch the threads before you try anything else, before you try to put the tools on. Because if you don't catch the threads and you strip that little guy, it's over. Same thing on this side. Let's do this little guy here. So just move it around if you can't capture the threads. Wiggle it around a bit. Sometimes even grabbing your socket will help you a bit. Okay. There you go, got it. So from here on, what you want to do is, you really want to make sure this is nice and tight, okay? Make sure this is nice and tight. Evenly and flush. Bada bing, bada boom. And the job is well done. Before we go bananas, changing whole suspension shocks and everything, this is a very common failure here, okay? Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. 20 bucks bushing, 25 bucks bushing, comes as a set. You can do them all together within an hour and you're all done. Thank you for watching.